Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the detailed information regarding SBI Apprentice Post notification. The post which is being conducted at the bank of SBI, the post name is called Apprentice and the vacancies are 8,500. The starting date of the application is on 20th of November 2020. The closing date is on 10th of December 2020. The mode of applying is through online and this is open across the country. Also, you can visit the official website of SBI to know more detailed information. The selection process is under two sections. It is through online written test and also the test of the local language. Please make sure that candidate have to go through both of these sections in order to get qualified. The candidates should not skip any of the test in order to get the post. Now we will see the education qualification. As regard, the SBI has demanded for degree or any equivalent education qualification which is recognized by the university under the Government of India. The age limit as per the given notification is a minimum of 20 years and a maximum of 28 years are eligible to apply for this post. These are the vacancy details across the country. Now the list which is presented here on the screen can be looked hereafter, so you can see according to the state where you belong, and then you can see the number of vacancies which are numbered here. As per Gujarat, the local language being Gujarati, 480 vacancies are mentioned. Andhra Pradesh, which is Telugu or Urdu, you have the vacancies of 620, and Madhya Pradesh Hindi, which has 430. Chhattisgarh, which has again the local language tested is on Hindi language, and 90 vacancies are available, and these are the rest of the states along with the local language test which the test will be conducted upon, and these are the number of vacancies which are mentioned here on the screen. Candidates are requested to look here on the screen and please relate to whichever state you belong to. These are rest of the states which includes Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Delhi, Uttarakhand, Telangana, Rajasthan, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Arunachal Pradesh, which has their own local languages. Also, the number of vacancies which are available for your application are listed here on the screen. These are the remaining states, which are Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Bihar and Jharkhand, which also has their own local languages called Assamese, which also Bengali, Manipuri, English, Mizo English, again Bengali, Hindi, Urdu or Hindi. All these are the local languages which are mentioned here. Please look at the vacancies also which are mentioned here on the screen, and then you can relate to whichever state you belong and then you can apply accordingly. The application fees is different according to the categories. The general category or the OBC and EWS, the fees which you have to pay for your application is rupees 300, and the rest of the categories, for example SC, ST and PWD, has no fees as such to pay. The application is for free and you can process accordingly. The stipend, if you get the post, there will be a stipend for the candidates which the SBI will be offering you. For the first year you will be getting rupees 15,000 per month, and for the second year you will be getting 16,500 per month, and for the third year you will be getting 19,000 per month. So this is for the candidates who have been selected for the apprentice role. Now this we have the exam pattern of the apprentice position. The candidate have to go through all of these sections which are mentioned here. Please note that the candidate has to take up all these four sections which are mentioned, which is the reasoning ability and computer aptitude, the quantitative aptitude, the general English and general financial awareness and such. So, and for this, the number of questions, the maximum marks and the duration is given here on the screen, which sums up to For reasoning ability and computer aptitude, the number of questions will be given is 25. The maximum marks are 25 again. The duration is 15 minutes. For quantitative aptitude, you will be given again 25 questions, 25 marks with 15 minutes under time limit. For general English, again 25 questions with 25 marks, 15 minutes time will be given to you to complete. The last section, which is the general or the financial awareness, which also has 25 questions with maximum marks of 25 under the 15 minutes time limit. So for all the sections it is the same. You have 25 questions in each of the section with 25 marks along. So 15 minutes for each of the section will be given to you to answer. So total it sums up to 1 hour with 100 questions carrying 100 marks again. In this part of the section, you will know some of the details which the candidate have to be careful upon when you are applying for the SBI apprentice role. So number one is all the questions will be objective, which means you have to be answering all the MCQs. Number two is questions will be bilingual, that is English and Hindi as well. Now remember, whoever are taking, if their local language is Hindi, you have to take up Hindi test as well along with English. So there will be negative marking for every incorrect answer, which means 1/4 of the marks will be deducted for every wrong answer that you write. Then there will be no penalty for unanswered question. So if you have not answered any question, if you left any question blank, there will be no negative marking. And then the question paper will be divided into 4 parts, each containing 25 questions for 25 marks. As I have already shown you the exam pattern. You will be getting only 15 minutes for each section. As we have discussed in the earlier part of the video, we have seen the exam pattern, and please see the time limit for each of the section and then prepare accordingly. So the candidates who qualify for the online exam have to appear for their local language test, where I have already mentioned, if your local language is Hindi and if you want to take up the main exam also in Hindi, you have to however take up the local language test if you are qualified. So please make sure that you have to take up the language test hereafter qualifying the online examination. The candidates who have studied the language test at class 10 or 12 level will be exempted for the language test. So if you are from a Hindi medium, or if you have the background of the local language in your class 10 or class 12, you will be exempted from taking up the local language test, but you have to be qualified in order to get proceeded for taking up the role of the apprentice. This is the syllabus. Please note down whatever it is placed on the screen so that you will have the basic idea. I will read out according to the section wise so that it will be very clear to understand. For quantitative aptitude, quadratic equations and bar graph, area, HCF, LCM, profit and loss, and simple and compound interest. For computer awareness, MS PowerPoint, basic computers, computer aberrations, and all of these which are mentioned here on the screen. Coming to the reasoning section, topics like syllogistic reasoning, similarities and differences, non-verbal series, and all the rest. English language covers up the topics like tenses, vocabulary, antonyms, grammar, error correction, recognition, and comprehension passages, which are all included in the same section of English. The last section, which is the financial or the general awareness section, which consists of books and authors, sports, budget and 5 years plan, science, inventions and discoveries, and national international organizations, which you have to memorize more enough to take up that particular section. So these are the rest of the topics which cover under each particular section, divided accordingly. So as we have seen the quantitative aptitude section, the computer awareness section, and also reasoning section in the financial general awareness section, please make sure that you have been noting down all of these separately so that you will have a clear idea of what you are preparing for. For quantitative aptitude, the other topics like time and speed, average, simplification, investment, time and work, pie chart, and problems on ages. For computer awareness, shortcuts, MS Excel, input and output device, internet, memory, basic knowledge of MS Word. Also for reasoning, observation, problem solving, discrimination, judgment, decision making, and the rest of the topics. For English language, other than what I have mentioned earlier, These are the rest of the topics which you need to consider for your preparation, like synonyms, proficiency in language, sentence rearrangement, vocabulary, adverbs and prepositions. And for financial general awareness, which is the GK section, which has the current affairs, awards and honors, major economic news and abbreviations. Also consider these are the rest final topics which you need to put it down in your list of preparation. For quantitative aptitude, number series, pictorial graph, percentages. For computer awareness, generations of computer and one. And reasoning, statement conclusion, analogies and arithmetic reasoning, visual memory, coding, decoding and spatial visualization. For English language, verb, unseen passage and fill in the blanks as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you all and much more informative. Please make sure to like this video and also share it with your friends, whoever is going to take up this exam anytime soon. If you have any questions or any clarifications that you want us to answer, please put it down in the comment section below so that we will look into your questions and answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos, and all the very best from Freshers Now. Thank you for watching.